Hello friends, in today's class we will see about decimals. Now we are given a number 624, that is 624.125. You have to write the expanded form of this number. So now 6 is in the hundred place, 2 is in the tens place and 4 is in the ones place. So how do we write it? 6 into 100 plus 2 into 10 plus 4 into 1 plus 1 into 1 by 10. I hope you are able to get it. When you multiply after the decimal place, you will write it as 1 by 10. Similarly, it is 2 into 1 by 100 plus 5 into 1 by 1000. I hope all of you understood how to write a given decimal number in an expanded form. Okay, now let us go to the next topic. Here in this, we are given two numbers, that is 0.5 and 0.05. We are asked to find out which is greater. We are given two decimal numbers, 0.5 and 0.05. So first we will write 0.5 as 5 by 10. Similarly, we will write 0.05 is nothing but 5 by 100. Now how can we find which is greater? We will multiply the first one with 10 and we will divide it by 10. We get 50 by 100. I hope you are able to understand this. Why am I multiplying and dividing by 10? So that I get a common denominator. Here we have it as 5 by 100. So if I convert this also into 100, I will be able to tell which is greater. So 50 by 100 is greater or 5 by 100 is greater. 50 by 100 is only greater. Therefore 0.5 is greater than 0.05. I hope all of you understood this. Now it is given that express as rupees using decimals. Okay, so here I am given a number that is 5 paise. So 5 paise. Now there is an equation between paise and rupee. We have 100 paise is equal to 1 rupee. Okay. So 5 paise is equals to how many rupee? That is 5 by 100, which is equal to 0.05 rupees. Okay. I hope you understood this. Now you have to express 6 centimeter in meter and kilometer. What is the equation? 100 centimeter is equals to 1 meter. So what is 6 centimeter? We will have it as 6 by 100, which is equal to 0.06 meter. I hope you understood this. That is, I divide 6 by 100 to get the value in meter. Now let us go to the next one. How will I convert it into a kilometer? I know that 1000 meter is equals to 1 kilometer and 100 centimeter is equals to 1 meter. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 zeros. That much centimeter is equals to 1 kilometer. I hope you understood this conversion. Therefore, 6 centimeter in terms of kilometer, how will I get? I have to divide it 1 followed by 5 zeros, which is nothing but 6 followed by 4 zeros. So this is how I write this I convert centimeter into kilometer. I hope all of you understood this. Now we'll go to the next topic. That is multiplication of a decimal number by 10, 100 and 1000. When a decimal number is multiplied by 10, 100 or 1000, the digits in the product are same as in the decimal number, but the decimal point in the product is shifted to the right by as many of places as there are zeros. That is, if I take an example, 2.61 is multiplied by 100, I get the answer 261 as it is, followed by 2 zeros. Now I have to shift the point to the right to as many as places as there are zeros. There are 2 zeros. So if I shift this, I can bring it here. It is nothing but here my point comes and it is 261. Okay, similarly, when I multiply 2.61 by 10, the answer is 2610. There is 1 0. I have to shift the point by 2 places. I get 26.1. That is 26.1. I have to shift it by 1 place because there is 1 0. Okay, I hope you understood this. Now we'll go to the next one, that is division of decimal numbers. Division by 10, 100 and 1000. While dividing a number by 10, 100 and 1000, the digits of the number and the quotient are the same, but the decimal point in the quotient shifts to the left by as many places as there are zeros. So if I divide 245, see, 2.45 can also be written as 245 by 100. This has to be divided by 10, or in other words I will write it as 1 by 10. What do I get? I get as 245 divided by 1000. So I have to shift the points to the left, isn't it? So it will be 0.245. I hope you understood this. Similarly, the same way you should do 2.45 divided by 100. Okay, I hope you know how to do it. You can write this as 245 by 100 into 1 by 100, which is equals to 245 by 1 followed by 4 zeros. I have it as 0.0245. After 4 places to the left, I have to place my decimal point. Now we'll go to the next one, division of a decimal number by whole number. Now let me consider this. 6.2 is divided by 2. How do we write this? 62 by 10 into 1 by 2. So this will go in this 31 by 10, which is equals to 3.1. This is how we divide a decimal number by a whole number. Now let us go to the next topic, that is division of a decimal number by another decimal number. While dividing two decimal numbers, first shift the decimal point to the right by equal number of places in both to convert the divisor to a whole number. So first we'll take the first one, 2.4. 2.4 can be written as 24 by 10, and my 0.2 can also be written as 2 by 10. So we have 24 by 10 into 10 by 2. I hope you get it. So the answer is 12. Okay. Similarly, in this problem also we can write it. See, 33.725 divided by 0.25. Now what is given here? You have to shift the decimal point to the right by equal number of places in both to convert the divisor to a whole number. So here 25 is my divisor. To convert this to a whole number, I have to move to the right by 2 places, or in other words I have to write this as 25 divided by 25. Okay, what is the answer I get? Let me divide it. goes in this 1 times, I get 87, that is 3 times 75. It goes in this 4 times, it is 100, then it is 225, so it is 9 times. So the answer is 13.49. So this is how you divide a decimal number by another decimal number. Thank you, friends.